Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm a little late. Yesterday was the first day of school, so I had no time to record what my classroom looks like. And today it looks a mess because all the kids brought in supplies and stuff. So I'm gonna just show y'all the stuff I did off camera, and y'all gonna be able to see. Don't judge. My room is already a little messy because these kids are very messy. So this is my front bulletin board. I'm going to be putting like my class economy stuff here. I just haven't printed it out yet. I'm going to do that this weekend. I really don't like how the border looks right there or right there, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. And then I have these statements. So we have the do now, I can statements and exit tickets. We all have to put it up. Apparently we have to get the school one, but it doesn't match my theme, so I don't want that one. Obviously my projector is messed up. It's like so lopsided, so I'm going to email tech support and see can they fix it. And I put like a black border around to make it blend in with everything. Okay, over here we have my voice levels. If y'all can see, I have the little Chick-fil-A cows on here. And then this is my class rules board. So it's like the Chick-fil-A font. As y'all can see, I'm obsessed. All the kids were like, oh my gosh, Chick-fil-A. So that was good. My desks are messed up. As you can see, these kids, it's the first day, they already messed them up. Then this is my backboard, like lab safety, the tools. They're lopsided, they're like leaning to the side, but that's okay. And then this is my scientific method. I'm gonna add something over here, and I'm letting the kids like design little flags that will go over here. Even though it doesn't match my theme, I feel like it'll give the class a personal touch. I might take them down though, only have them up for like a week or so. And then I'm gonna put some stuff up here. I just didn't have time because we had meet the teacher and the parents came, and I was rushing to get finished, and I still have a lot I want to put in here. So as the year progresses, I'm going to add more stuff, and once I add more stuff, I'm going to give you guys like an updated tour. So this video is super short. As y'all can see, I have all these supplies, so I have to like take them out because I was supposed to do it yesterday. One of the parents, she wants her bags back, but I didn't take them out yet, so I'm going to have them do that today. And that's pretty much my classroom though. Yesterday, the first day was so hectic. Like, these kids, they're something. But everybody's saying they're so bad. It's only a couple that are bad. I'm used to bad. This is like, we're going to be good, I think. But it's a few that are like, do the most. But this video is going to be like 3 minutes, so peace.